YouTube, we are back again with the SunnyDay Sisters. Earlier today we went on a nature walk and we went and gathered a bunch of stuff from our desert. We went and found some stuff that we can make a craft with. So now that we made it back home,
we got some paper and glue.
We got some paper and glue and we're gonna make our crafts.
Dad might be home while we're making it too. He's gone.
Oh, he is?
Yeah,
he's at work, but he might show up when we're making it, huh?
Yeah.
But maybe not. It's not dark yet, so maybe if not, he'll be able to see it when he comes home, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Yep. You'll see our craft.
Got it? All right, go ahead and make sure you stay separated a little bit, and you dump your stuff out, and you dump your stuff out so that you can see everything you have for your craft.
Look at all my stuff.
Ooh. Look at all this stuff that you found.
Got a lot of sand and dirt.
A lot of sand and dirt. I see a leaf in there and some wood. What do you have? Sticks. And, ooh, you could like make a campfire. That's awesome.
Let's make a campfire.
You can make whatever you want on your paper.
Please?
Yes, I'll take your bag for you.
Give me my paper.
May I please have my paper?
May I please have my
Sure.
paper? Can I have my paper, please?
Yes, give me just 1 second, okay? Ooh, look at what you've got going on. If you put the line of glue, your sand will stick to it.
Oh!
Here, let's bring you close so I can help out. There we go.
Oh.
Did I run over your stick? Okay. And then put your stuff on your paper where you want to glue it, and I'll help you with some glue.
Stick. I got my stick right here.
Got your stick? Is that where you want it glued? Erilyn, can I see the glue, please? Thank you. Is this where you want this stick? Okay, lift it up and I'll put some glue on there for you and you could stick it on there. Go ahead.
I'm sprinkling all over my paper.
Nice job.
Okay, now I want some right here.
You got it.
To see what
There you go.
glue. Thank you. I
You're
need to
welcome.
go right here.
Perfect.
Now this one. And I gotta put a line. I want this to be right here. Of glue.
Okay, let's wait till it's our turn with the glue.
For a stick. So that I can put a stick on. Okay, I'll give you.
Thank you. Which one was I doing now?
I don't see.
Where am I putting the glue?
I don't see Dad yet. I know he's gonna come while we're making these.
You know he is.
There's an ant on her.
That's okay. It's a little tiny one, isn't it? All right, Ave.
I need the glue.
What are you gonna stick on that glue?
This.
That stick.
Oh,
Ooh, that
my
was
bag.
perfect.
my bag needs a rock on it.
Was this your bag?
Yes. My bag needs a rock on it.
Good idea.
Why are you not doing it too?
Because I'm helping you guys do yours. So what's glued so far? This still needs to be glued. Where do you want that stick?
These?
Yeah.
Next of each other.
Next to each other?
I need a big long line.
Oh no. You know what's happening right now?
What?
Are we running out of glue?
We're running out of glue.
We're running out of glue?
Are we? Oh no. We're running out of glue, guys.
What are we gonna have to do?
Find more glue. We're gonna have to find more glue.
What if that's the last bottle that we have?
Oh no! Wait, no. That's not the last bottle. We have a lot of glue.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think we have any more.
We do.
Well, we couldn't find it. That was the only bottle we could find.
We didn't get to check. We didn't check everywhere in the house.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I looked pretty hard.
We didn't check everywhere in the house. Do you guys need a glue?
Yes, please. All right, where did you want this? Next to each other?
Yeah. I want this one to be right here.
Okay.
And this one's, wait. The long one goes right here.
Let's give it a little more glue, see if we can get it to stick.
I need some glue, please. I need some glue, please. I need some glue, please.
Here you go.
You're getting some glue
You're
on
welcome.
me.
It's I'm getting glue on you. It's from your stick that you picked up, babe. Go ahead and put that stick on that There you go. Nice job.
Now this one. Where do you think I want this one?
Wherever you want it.
Right here, right here. Do you guys need a glue?
Yes, please. Thank you.
That's gonna come soon. That's gonna come pretty soon. Can you look out for Dad, guys? Because he's coming pretty soon. Oh no. Is there a rock on
There
it?
you go.
Is there a rock on there?
Yes.
Woo.
Good
Can
job.
I have the glue, please?
1 sec. Let's finish up with this one that Avery was just about to put on there. Where do you want that?
A circle? We're doing a circle right here. Why did you do a swirl?
Because it's going to take a lot of glue to hold that chunk of wood on there. There. I love your picture. And look at yours. I love it. You're doing so good with your nature pictures.
That's a moon with fingers. That's a moon with fingers.
A moon with fingers?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a moon with fingers. We need the glue, please.
It's
I
right.
just got it. But we need to stick this on. Hold on. I gotta throw it to you guys.
Just going to toss it. Where do you want your stick?
When are you gonna start doing yours? I want that, please.
I'll do mine when your guys' is all done.
And we'll be the watching guards for Dad.
Okay.
If he doesn't get here when we're done. Or when we're still doing it.
Okay. We're starting to lose our sunshine.
Yep, we're starting to lose our sunshine. So that means we might have to do our picking up garbage tomorrow. We might have to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, the sun's going down, but we'll clean up the streets one way or another, huh?
Yeah. Can I have the glue?
Stay tuned for that video, because
Yeah.
we're going to get a couple trash bags and go clean up our street, aren't we?
Yeah.
Pick up all the trash.
Yeah. Yeah, because our street is pretty dirty.
Yeah, so we've got to clean it up, huh?
Yep.
You goofball.
Gotta ask someone.
I love how your picture's
Can
turning
I
out.
have that clue, please? Look! Watch how it's gonna look soon.
Nice.
Why can't I take the glue? I was gonna give it to you.
It's okay. She's gonna put it. She's trying to use it by herself. She's doing a good job. She'll give it back to you in just a second.
She's like making a hot dog.
She's making a hot dog.
She's making a hot dog.
Hey, You goofy goober. All right, you're gonna knock it out of my hand. Let's tone it down a little. Okay.
Here.
Wow, look at all that glue.
Is that here? Is that at home?
Nope, he's not here yet.
I don't see him yet, so he's probably not here.
Not yet.
I need that glue.
All right, well, we're gonna wrap this up. We'll show you the finished product when we're all done.
Yep. I'm gonna spray a whole bunch of sand all over it.
What did you say this looked like? What did you say these looked like, Erilyn?
Constellations.
Constellations?
Yes,
You're right, they totally
do. A bunch of sand all over my paper so we can, and then when I'm all done putting sand all over, I'm gonna like dump all the rest of the sand out so we can see what's not gonna stay.
Right on.
Wait, where's my bag?
You dumped your bag out, honey. That there is no more bag. The bag is gone. Your sand is all right there on the ground. That's where all the sand is.
Please show me the lay down.
Here, I'll put it into a pile for you, okay?
Can I see that brush, please? Can I see
It's
that
right
brush?
over there by Ave.
Where's the brush?
It's right over there by Ave.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm making all my sand into a little pile right here.
Right on.
My brush. The brush. Sprinkle. Cute little doggy. Did you see that cute little doggy?
We did.
Little sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Look at who it is. We got a guest star. Who is that?
Desi.
Desi. Say hello.
We're making crafts. We brought some bags and we went on a nature walk and looked for a whole bunch of desert things and sticks and rocks and even sand to put glue on paper.
Wow. Look at what you've got going on. How cute.
We're also filming videos.
Oh, yeah, I heard.
Desi's going.
That was a nice surprise that she came to see you guys, huh?
Yeah.
Say bye, Des.
Bye, Des. It wasn't for a long time.
Nope, she just stopped by to say hi. She's taking the dogs to the dog park.
She is to the dog park?
Yeah,
Why is she taking the dog to the dog park?
because the dogs like to go play with their friends at the park, too. Just like you guys do.
Mine's done.
Yours is all done?
Mine's not
Let me
done
see
yet.
your finished product. Let me see it. Where's your picture?
Everybody else see it. Is that on video? Is everybody seeing
That's
it?
beautiful.
Is Daddy seeing it? Was Daddy seeing it?
Yep, everybody can see it.
Everybody?
Everybody.
Every single person?
Every single person that watches your video.
I mean that does that mean even Sydney?
Even who?
Sydney.
Sydney? If Sydney watches your video, yep. Alrighty, let's
that brush, please.
finishing touches. That was such good manners. Finishing touches. Wow, look at all that.
There's not so much on that. Thank you so much for watching our video and make sure you subscribe to see more.
Yes, yes.
Bye.
Bye. Avery, say thanks for watching our video.
Don't these fell off.
That's okay, we'll fix them. Say thanks for watching our video.
No.
Nah, you don't want to. All right, make sure you subscribe to see more. Thanks, bye.
We'll show you more tomorrow.